Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Melody, which is Ariel's daughter, on Dress to Impress. Moving everything except for the hair. Select this hair and color it black. Select this hair and color it black as well in default. Position the Y to 0.43, Z 0.68 and scale it to 0.13. Select this hair and color it black, and then select this hair and color everything black. Position the Y 0.59, Z 0.43. Rotate the X to 0.33 and scale it to 0.19. Now for the outfit, it is actually pretty simple to do. Grab this top here in matte and then color it this like yellow color. I don't like cream color. Then I'm going to grab this top to add more flair because it is super basic. Then for the tail, we are going to use this one in this color 9A6160, and then this peach color FF8 to A0 for the second and third toggle. And that is pretty much it. I'm like trying to find like a top where there's like buttons, maybe the vest. Let me see. In the third toggle here, I might have to use this like for the like buttons aspect. There's like a green to it, so I'm gonna just do that. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.